Hello. So, you want to remix your part in Fusion 360, but you don't know how. Let's see how. We go for Insert, Insert Mesh. We pick our STL file and click Open. We go for OK. And now we have our mesh in Fusion. However, we need it to be solid. So we go for Tab Mesh, Modify, and Convert Mesh. We pick our part by right-clicking it. We go for OK. And now our part is solid. We can simplify it a bit by picking some of the triangles on the flat surface and clicking Delete. This will make our part simpler and easier to edit further. Now, we can do sketch on the part. So let's pick sketch. Let's pick some circle. Let's do 2 circles. Let's make them equal. Finish sketch. Let's extrude these 2 circles. Maybe let's extrude this one, like do the cut. And with this, let's do the extrude up and the join. Now we have something like this. Let's say that's all we want to do. Let's go for bodies, right click our file and go save as mesh. Now, new window opens. We can pick our format. If we want to print it, the STL is fine. We go for the unit type, millimeter in my case. We can preview the mesh. And we have a number of triangles and the refinement which will increase or decrease the number of triangles. And that's basically it. We click OK and we can save the part. That's basically the whole process of importing, remixing and saving the part in Fusion. Have fun!